KTM Komuter. KTM Komuter is an electrified air-conditioned commuter train service for Kuala Lumpur and its surrounding areas in the Klang Valley. It was introduced in 1995 and is operated by KTM KTM Berhad, KTMB, the Malaysian National Train Service Company. KTM is a short form for KTM. KTM Commuter Train Service is a popular mode of affordable public transportation for commuters working in Kuala Lumpur and the Klang Valley. Commuters can travel to the city without the hassle of traffic congestion. The electric train coaches are modern and air-conditioned for comfortable traveling. Park and ride facility is provided at a nominal charge for those who drive and park at the stations. KTM Komuter, as a regional rail network, has got key interchanges for commuters to transfer to other Rapid KL Rail and Rapid KL bus networks. This makes travels in Kuala Lumpur, the Klang Valley, Selangor and Negeri Sembilan very accessible. KTM Komuter's two main routes. KTM Komuter consists of two main routes with 51 stations in the 217 kilometers regional electric commuter train network for Kuala Lumpur, the Klang Valley, Selangor and Negeri Sembilan.
Travel eCity, the travel biz online specialist, created Kuala Lumpur Taxi, Kuala Lumpur Rail Transit, KL Central and many more. We take your travel business to be online effectively.
Added to Kids Port Klang route. Rawan Sulrenban route. There is a KTM Komuter Rawan Tanjung Meling shuttle service from Rawan to Tanjung Meling, Selangor. KTM Komuter map. Transfer between the two main routes. Transfers between the two main routes can be made at KL Central, Kuala Lumpur and future stations. Same platform or cross-platform interchange is available at Kuala Lumpur. Passengers to and from stations between Rawan and Tanjung Meling must change trains at Rawan station. Passengers who are going to the Kuala Lumpur International Airport, clear, may take the KTM Komuter to Manila Komuter halt and change to an airport bus, or they may change at KL Central Station to proceed to the Clear Express or Clear Transit Rail Express lines.
Travel eCity, the travel biz online specialist, created Kuala Lumpur Taxi, Kuala Lumpur Rail Transit, KL Central and more. We can take your travel business to be online effectively.
Interchange with the Rapid KL Rail, KL City Metro network is available at Banartana 6 Salakman Station for the Light Rail Transit and Panline and at KL Central for the Light Rail Transit Kelana Jaya line. Passengers may also transfer to the Light Rail Transit and Panline in Kuala Lumpur City Centre at the Bank Negara KTM station by means of a 200-meter walk to the Bandara LRT station. KTM Komuter Shopping Route. KTM Komuter has good access to many shopping complexes and recreational centres in Kuala Lumpur. The hugely popular Mid-Valley Mega Mall is accessible from the Mid-Valley station. Sabang Parade and Carrefour Sabanjaya are accessible from the Sabanjaya station. The Mines Shopping and Recreational Centre is accessible from the Sardang station. KTM Komuter Train Timetable. KTM Komuter Train Fare and Tickets. KTM Komuter's tickets can be purchased at the ticketing counters or by using the self-service ticket vending machine, which are available at all KTM stations and halls. Need more detailed information? Need to know about Rapid KL LRT, KL Monorail? Check out our website www.kualalumpurrailtransit.com.
Travel eCity, the travel biz online specialist, created Kuala Lumpur Taxi, Kuala Lumpur Rail Transit, KL Central and many more. We can take your travel business to the online effectively.